Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and protecting openings, safety first. Put on a respirator and goggles, then remove loose trim. Once done, score paint and knock off high texture peaks with a 6-inch drywall knife. Press shallow to avoid gouges. If texture resists, apply an alcohol or a low-odor chemical softener to small sections only. Wait the manufacturer time, then test with the scraper. Make sure to work in 3 to 4 square foot zones so material stays manageable. You continue by systematically scraping sections you softened. Keep the blade nearly flat and pull toward the nearest clean corner to minimize gouging. Once most texture is off, blend remaining ridges with 80 grit sandpaper, then feather into surrounding paper with 120 grit so joints stay invisible. Use a sanding pole for larger areas, but hand sand tight spots to avoid oversanding. Make sure to vacuum dust frequently so the surface stays visible, and you can judge progress accurately. You finish by filling any gouges or exposed paper with a thin joint compound, applying 2 thin coats and drying fully between them. Sand the final coat smooth. Once flat, clean dust, then apply a high-adhesion primer to seal the surface before painting. If you notice blistering or raised areas, test for residual moisture, and if present, cut out and replace the damaged drywall section. This avoids repeated failure. If minor bubbling appears after priming, resand and reprime that spot before painting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.